Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam Crystal and Champagne Gold Tealight or candle holders. And so what you're going to need some of this. On the packet it's silver diamond chain, but it looks more like a champagne gold. So you'll need this. This is from Efavormart. I also have some Arrowhead pendants, and they're from Efavormart as well. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these glass taper candle holders. You'll need 1 pack of these glass tea light holders. And from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones that I may or may not be using. We'll see as we go along. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam gold crystal candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. These are perfect for the fall season or throughout the holiday season with this soft, warm champagne gold and crystal. You could use these in pretty much any decor style. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.